Welcome students. Today we shall solve class 8 physics chapter 1 matter. Okay. Then we go to exercise. Direct go to exercise. And first question is a multiple choice questions. Number 1. Carbon dioxide is made up of two different kinds of atoms only. Carbon and oxygen atoms, carbon and hydrogen atoms, carbon and helium atoms, carbon and sodium atoms. Therefore, the answer will be A. Okay. Therefore, answer is A. Next question. Number 2. A substance which cannot be divided further by any chemical or physical methods is called A. A molecule, B. An element, C. A chemical, D. A compound. Answer will be A. Okay, answer will be A. Number 3. A molecule of oxygen contains dash atoms of oxygen. 5 atoms of oxygen, 3 atoms of oxygen, 2 atoms of oxygen and 10 atoms of oxygen. Number will be 2. Number will be 2 and answer will be C 2. Okay. Number 4. Substances that have a definite shape and occupy definite spaces are called A. Liquids, 2 gases, C. Solids, D. Plasma. Answer will be C. Solids. C. Solids. That is the answer. Number 5. The particles of matter are in a state of motion that can be A. Circular or transitional, B. Vibrational or transitional, C. Random, D. Circular or vibrational. Answer will be C. Random. Number 6. The collisions between gas molecules are dash in nature, A. Inelastic, B. Rebounding, C. Elastic, D. None. Answer will be elastic. Number 7. If the number of collisions in a gas increases its temperature, A. Does not increase, B. Increases, C. Decreases, D. Fluctuates. Answer will be decreases. Decreases. Number 8. Gravity of the earth does not affect A. Solids, B. Liquids, C. Gases, D. Solids and liquids both. Answer will be gases. Answer will be gases, that is C. Number 9. Evaporation is dependent on which of the following external forces? A. Speed of wind, B. Temperature, C. Humidity, D. All of the above. Answer will be answer will be D. All of the above. Number 10. State of matter that coexist during melting. That is melting means solids to liquid. A. Solid, B. Liquid, C. Gases, D. Both A and B. That it means solid and liquid. Answer will be both A and B, solid and liquid. Now next we shall discuss number B. Fill in the blanks. A. All objects around us occupy space. Here will be we shall write here space. Here we have written space. Number 2. Weight depends on the gravity of the earth. Gravity. Here will be gravity. That means gravity of the earth. Weight depends on the gravity of earth. Number 3. Anything that occupies space and possesses mass is called. This will be matter. is called matter. Okay. Number 4, all things that can see and feel are made of. Here it is also matter. Okay, it is matter. Okay, matter exists in 5 states. It will be 5. This is solid, liquid, gases, plasma, and BEC. BEC means Bose-Einstein condensate. This is a state of matter of a dilute gas of bosons cooled to temperatures very close to absolute zero. That is very near to 0 K or minus 273.15 degree Celsius. BEC is said to be the fifth state of matter. Therefore, the answer will be 5. Matter exists in 5 states. Number 6. The dash theory believes that the molecules of a substance are always in motion. The kinetic theory. This answer will be kinetic. Okay. The answer is kinetic. Okay. Now, number 7. The 3 states of matter are composed of submicroscopic particles called atoms, molecules, or ions. Atoms, molecules, or ions. Okay. Therefore, answer is atoms, molecules, or ions. Number 8. The particles of a gas are in state of dash motions. This will be continuous motions. Okay. The particles of gases are in state of continuous motion. Number 9. Water freezes as 0 degrees Celsius. This is the freezing point, 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. Water freezes as 0 degrees Celsius. Number 10. Vibration. The vibration in the particles dash when we add energy to the system. This is the answer will be increases. The vibration in the particles increases when we add energy to the system. Okay. The vibration in the particles increases when we add energy to the system. Next, true false. True false. Number 1. When a solid is heated, its atom vibrates about their position. This is true. True. Number 2. An increase in the kinetic energy to the substance takes in the form of electricity. This is also true. Number 3. In solids, the atoms are free to move around. This is false. Number 4. Liquids and gases take the shape of the vessel in which they are filled. This is true. Number 5. The shapes between the atom in gas is less than that in solid and liquid. Solid and liquid. This will be false. The shape between the atoms in gas is less than that in solid and liquid. This will be false. Number 6. A liquid in a vacuum has a high boiling point in comparison to a liquid in the normal atmospheric pressure. This will be true. Next, 7. Vaporization is depend on the temperature. This is true. Next, number 8. In case of gas, the size of the molecules is much bigger than the distance between the neighboring molecules. It will be false. Number 9, a change from gaseous state to a liquid state is known as deposition. This is false. Number 10, camphor is a sublimable substance. This is true. Okay. Next, number 2, match the items in column 1 with the correct choice in column 2. Number 1, matter in the form of hot and growing particles. Number 1, this will be plasma. Okay, plasma, answer is plasma, therefore 1 will be here. Here will be 1. Next, the matter particles are mobile and not affected by gravity. Number 2, it will be gases. Matter particles are mobile and not affected by gravity. This is gases. Number 3, the matter particles can only vibrate. That is solid. Number 3 will be here, solid. Okay. Number 4, the bonds are weak between the particles and hence they can slide over each other. Number 4, it will be liquids. Number 5, the heat supplied to the solid at its melting point. Number 5, it will be latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion. Number 5. Number 6, it takes place in entire mass of liquid. Entire mass of liquid, vaporization. Okay. Number 6, vaporization. And 7, sublimable substances. This will be sublimable substances. This will be iodine. Okay. This will be iodine. A change from gaseous to solid state directly. It takes place, a change from gaseous to solid state directly. This will be deposition. And boiling point of water, it will be 100 degrees Celsius. And freezing is also known as solidification. Okay, all this will be the answer of the short question of the class 8 physics first chapter, matter. Okay, in this COVID pandemic situation, you can solve this chapter exercise of this chapter and then tally with this answer. Okay, thank you.